Stoneworks Canada. Stoneworkscanada.com, another project of making a driveway beautiful, removing the old bricks and basically planting the new ones. Of course, these bricks, they go for recycling, so nothing is wasted. It's all green environment. Stoneworks Canada always observes everything there is to be done in terms of real good conservation effort. This is a lovely neighborhood by Avenue Road, and it's an old established neighborhood, and of course we are doing the excavation. Okay, so fantastic.